Hey, so you're turning 65 here within the next 12 months. Well, if so, I'm guessing that your mailbox is starting to look something like this with all these insurance companies trying to sell you a Medicare plan, or your phone is probably ringing off the hook each day with these strangers calling you trying to get you to sign up for a Medicare plan. So the bad news is I can't stop the junk mail. I can't stop the phone calls. But the good news is there's a better way. And we have a Medicare 101 educational online workshop that we host every Tuesday evening. So you can click the link below. It'll take you to our registration page, and you can sign up for our webinar and learn everything you need to know about Medicare in 45 minutes. So we'll teach you all the A, B, C's, and D's of Medicare. We'll teach you how to avoid penalties. And after the webinar is over, you're going to know exactly what you need to do or not do when it comes to your 65th birthday. So go ahead and click the link below, register for the workshop, and we'll see you there.